All right. Because of you. På grund av tyckon så stannar det där. Tusen tack för det. I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the way you did. You felt so hard. I'll learn the hard way to never let it go that far. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. And because of you, I've learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I'm finding hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I'm afraid. Because of you, I'll never stray too far from the sidewalk. And because of you, I've learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find myself just to forget everything. Because of you, I find it hard to let anyone else in. Because of you, I am ashamed of my life. Because it's empty. Because of you, I am afraid. Because of you, because of you.